peace in our land. How do we get that peace? Let us begin to educate ourselves to ask for our freedom. If we get our freedom, we'll get development. Our place will be one of the best countries in the world. It will be one of the best countries in the world. So let us ask, educate ourselves to begin to discuss it. Don't keep quiet. Don't suffer in silence. Let us begin to ask. As we ask for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And ask for his release. And begin to ask for his release, his freedom, and his freedom will bring peace. His freedom will bring freedom. His freedom will bring a lot of goodies. So